Hi, welcome to Betty's Closet. Welcome to my technical and art channel. Now I've got the XP pen. I think it's about £30. It is a drawing tablet, Deco Fun S Pen tablet. Um, so this is the packaging that it comes in. Let me just move my thing. Oh, let me just. Yeah, this is the packaging it comes in. I can't. I think I got it from Amazon. Not too sure where I got it, but it looks really nice. Um, it's got like a. How many inches is it? Oh my god, how many inches is it? I'll have to put the specification of it, um, on the tablet. On No, not on the tablet. On whatchamacallit, on the video. It says reading height is 10 millimeters. 210.5 slash 159.8 slash 12.9 millimeters. Active area 6.3 times 4. Pressure levels 8,192. Resolution 5080 LPI. Runs on Android 0.6 or later, Chrome 0s88 or later, Linux compatible with Windows 7, 8 or 10. Ports USB-C. Yeah, it can be good for education, work, playing games and art. Now I wanted to get the whack-a-mole one, but I didn't have the money, did I? I did I ever buy the whack-a-mole? I'm trying to think. I've got so many stuff like all over the place. I can't even remember if I bought the whack-a-mole, but I've never used it if I ever did. But this is the pen it came with. Oh, let me just move this light. It's making the video really bright. This is the pen it came with. It's really nice. I actually like it. So let me just, yeah, like this. It's got a shiny bit there. I don't know what function that shiny bit is, and it's a wire that you plug into the back of it. The ports. I don't know what that port is, to tell you the honest truth. The port there. Oh, yeah, actually, I don't know what that port. I don't know what that is. No idea what that is. It's very lightweight. And it's cheaper. The whack-a-mole one was, I think it was about 60 quid. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, because at the end of the day, it's just like a black pad and you just draw like that, and you've got to look at the screen while you're drawing, which is a really weird experience for someone that is an artist. But I'm gonna give it a go, because I'm a student graphic designer. So you cut your cloth according to size. You buy what you can afford and stuff like that. But I will definitely be doing the demonstration videos on it. So I just wanted to show you it. I bought a USB port because I needed it, because my laptop only has 3 USB ports, but I've got speakers plugged into one, a wireless mouse plugged into another one. What else have I got plugged in? Oh no, yeah. Oh no, actually, I do have a free port. Oh, I've got 3 ports. I forgot all about the other port, the USB port. Silly me. But I still need to get a USB hub to have more ports, because so many things take USB ports. Anyway, I bought the wrong USB one. I bought a USB tower. That's not what I need for my computer to give me more USB ports. Silly me, stupid me. Another one of my mess ups. But yeah, so that is one of the things that I'm going to do videos on, and as I learn graphic art. I don't know much about graphic art, to tell you the truth, drawing with a computer. As I learn how to use Adobe Photoshop, and do you know what I mean? Graphic designers. And actually, do you know that there's actually a shortage of graphic designers in the UK? But yeah, so anyway, later, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe to all my channels and buy me a coffee so I can create better content for you.